Let's see how to add an admin to your Instagram account. So first you have to open up your Instagram app and go to your profile. Now tap on edit profile, and if you don't see any option to add an admin here, don't worry, this is normal. Don't worry, Instagram doesn't allow you to add admins directly from the main app. So you just need to go back and open the App Store or Play Store, search for Meta Business Suite. So when you find it from here, just install the app and open it. So once the app opens, tap on Login and choose Login with Instagram. If you have multiple Instagram accounts, you can select the correct one or log in with another Instagram account from here. After logging in, allow all the required permission to finish setting up the app. Now when you reach the home screen, tap on More, then go to Settings. And now from the Settings menu, you have to find and open People tab. So here you will see your own name listed with full control. Now to add another admin, you just have to tap on the plus icon. Now enter the email address of the person you just want to give access to, then tap Next. Now choose the level of control you just want to give them, such as full control or limited access, then tap Next again. So now from here, if everything looks good, tap Send Request. So you will see the invitation has been sent successfully. Now go back and open People again, and you will see the invited person listed as pending. So once they accepted the invitation, they will be able to manage your Instagram account based on the permissions you gave them. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.